Hi, bigtractorpower fans. I wanted to share with you some of the highlights of the 2026 National Farm Machinery Show held in Louisville, Kentucky. This was the 60th anniversary of this major event. I will have individual videos featuring new tractors from New Holland, including their new color blue, Case IH highlighting their Stars and Stripes Heartland tractor, and a new 550 horsepower tractor from Fendt following this one. But for now, let's take a look at some of the cool new machines that were on hand at the 2026 National Farm Machinery Show.